ba 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 ba. Today we are going to look at the history of the master of airplanes. It is a rated TV PG series that contains a cartoon about an airplane going on its mission almost every day. Here's its first episode.
Why did you tell me?
The airplane's first mission. Whoa! Look, I'm flying. Wow! Wow! I should talk to my friends about the flight. The first episode was made poorly, but in the second episode, he had teamed up with his friend Helly, and the cartoon time was infinite. I'm bored staying here. Whoosh, whoosh. Hi. Hello. What's your name? My name's Helly. Who are you?
I know how to trade things.
I am the airplane's son. Oh, goody.
No, it's 212.
But why did you change your name? I hadn't changed my name. By the way, let's team up with our first mission. Whoa! In the third episode, he and his friend saw a skyscraper burning down. It's because of a nuclear weapon crashing the skyscraper. But I'm not going to show you that episode because this episode is inappropriate. Coming soon for the real life master of airplane. 9/11.